If you've ever reformatted your computer and found that some devices weren't working quite right afterwards, you may find that your computer just doesn't know what they are and how to find drivers, nor can it tell you what they are so you can go and find drivers. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hunt out unknown devices so you can find drivers and get everything working as normal again. First thing is you click the Start menu at the bottom left here, and we'll type in Device Manager. Now I'm on Windows 10, but these instructions work the same for pretty much any version of Windows. Now you'll notice here that I have this network controller with this wee exclamation mark symbol beside it, which of course is never a good sign, but at least the computer knows it's a network controller, but a lot of the time this will just say unknown device. So how you find out who made the thing, what model it is you right click, choose Properties, go to the Details tab, and then under this drop down here you have Hardware IDs. Now if we select that, we see a bunch of sort of random numbers and letters, but these things are actually really helpful bits of information. So here we have VEN, which stands for vendor, and DEV, which stands for device, e.g. make and model. Now if this was a USB device instead of a PCI, I would just say VID and PID, so vendor ID and product ID, but it's basically the same process for USB or PCI devices. So after the underscore and before the ampersand, you'll see 4 characters. So for vendor, it's 14B9, and then for device, it's 0350 in my case. So to find out what that device is and who made it so you can get drivers, I made a tool recently called devicehunt.com, so we'll just go to devicehunt.com. And if it was a USB device, you can click here and choose USB, but it's PCI, so that's the one that we already want, so that's cool. So we punch in those numbers, 14B9 for the vendor, and for the device it was 0350. And we'll just click search. And cool, so this is saying it's made by Cisco, and then here we see the search results, so we get the exact device name. And if we click on device, we have all the information that Device Hunt has. So sometimes this will be like a link to a driver or like a link to the website of the vendor or stuff like that. But in this case, it's just said, cool, this is made by Cisco. Here's the exact model name, so we can go and hunt out drivers for it, and all good. So yeah, I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, just come up to the top here and click contact and fill in your details, and I'll see what I can do to help and try and get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks guys, bye.